Wait, before your hair transplant at Bosley, watch this first. Hi, I'm Ken Washenik, the medical director at Bosley. I hear you've got a big day coming up. Congrats on deciding to do something about your hair loss and get a hair transplant with us here at Bosley. We're really excited to help you get your hair back and look forward to seeing you. In this video, I'll share a few important things for you to know before your procedure. We'll go over a few things, including food and medications, preparation for the procedure, and what to expect. When it comes to food, eat normally. Maintain a normal intake of food and liquids leading right up to your procedure, and eat a normal breakfast the morning of the procedure. But please do avoid caffeine the night before and the morning of your procedure. If you're taking medication for a medical condition, continue to do so as directed unless you've been told otherwise by your Bosley doctor. If you're taking aspirin, Coumadin, Plavix, or any other medication that can decrease your blood's ability to clot, please discuss it with your Bosley physician at least 7 full days prior to your procedure. Before discontinuing any prescription medications, though, please check with your prescribing physician. Plan on bringing in a list of your current medications, both the prescription medications and the over-the-counter non-prescription medications, to the procedure with you. Also, please make a note of the date and time of your last dose. Now, procedure preparation. We appreciate you wanting to look great for us, but there's no need to style your hair on the procedure day. Shampoo your hair the night before or the morning of your procedure, but avoid using any sticky hairspray gels or other type products. If you're getting an FUT procedure, your hair should be a ½ inch in length or even longer. If you're getting an FUE procedure, your hair should be cut in a close fade style to aid in the preparation of the FUE donor area. Instruct your stylist to cut it to a level 1. Follow any instructions our office has given you. If you already have a fade hairstyle, that's great. If you don't, and you weren't planning on going to the barber before your appointment, no worries. We'll cut your hair for you here at Bosley before your procedure. We recommend wearing a comfortable button-up shirt when you come in for your procedure. That way, you can avoid pulling a shirt over the treated area at the end of the day. It only takes 1 day to change your life. A hair transplant is a simple 1-day outpatient procedure. Expect your procedure to take a few hours. The exact length varies depending on how many grafts are being transplanted. You'll be able to watch a movie or TV during the procedure. You can also bring in an iPad, you can go old school, bring in a book or a listening device to keep yourself occupied during any downtime during the day. By the way, there's no need to pack yourself a meal or any food. Lunch and snacks are on us that day. Thank you for joining me. We look forward to checking in with you with helpful aftercare tips throughout the hair transplant recovery process. See you again on the day of your procedure.